guys, this is me London, and today I'm back with another video, and today I am playing Flood Escape. I'm playing the original one. Flood Escape 2 is over there, but yeah, let's get into it. I'm going to medium. This is gonna be my first, no, actually my second video. Go check out my first video on my channel. And yeah, comment down below on this video what should I name my channel, and yeah. Ooh, let me exit this lift. It's full? That sucks. And I go close my eyes. And comment down below if you want me to do for the first time a face cam. Actually, don't comment down below that, because I'm going to wait until I get used to doing this, because this is my first time. Go check out my new video that first day on my channel. Is called The Closet Part 1. And there's going to be 2 episodes, because yeah. So, yeah. Just telling you now, if you want to know if there's going to be 2 episodes, and if you want to know more stuff about this, then yeah, just tell me. Yeah, I'm here, like I'm the one, you know. If you want to know more stuff, you better look at this video. Can I please get to at least over 20 subscribers, because like I'm left out right now, and if you want me to be funny, I'll be funny, you know. Cause I don't want to be a dookie head, and you know. So you better tell me what kind of challenge I do. Baby food, I do boo boo food, do the booby food. I gonna do anything, you know. Do some challenges with my friends, you know me, So yeah, he escaped. So let's do this, boo boos. So yeah. Let's do this. Woo, 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 woo. Medium. I'm gonna suck at this, just saying. So yeah. I really suck at this. So hurry up. I hate it when this part happens. I hope someone touched it. Oh shoot, I was gonna die because of him. Ooh, nobody touched that one. That's okay. She go get that. Okay, she go get that. Okay, they got that. They didn't even let me do anything. Dang. It's 7 player. Only one person died. So, come on, hurry up, get it. Only one person died. He sucked. Little poopy head. Ooh. I fell. Come on. Now there's only 6 of us. Like 2 people died. Someone died in this round. Also comment down below if you want me to do vlogs, challenges, and also toy videos and some gaming stuff. So you know, I'm gonna do all that. Comment down below if you want me to do some vlogs. Cause I will. I will vlog if I need to. Oh. Do we go up there? I'm going up there, shoot. That girl on her own, shoot, she kept following me. Oh, she died. I told you, you kept following me. You didn't come out. You didn't come. Where are these people at? They in there? They little noobs. They noobs. I'm gonna exit the left. I don't feel like going in here. Oh, no, no, no. No! Why did I get out? I'm gonna see which one finished first, because I don't want no harm. If a lot of people going out, going hard, but just waiting. Why they circle around me? Dang. Okay, I'm just gonna go in this one because a lot of people seems like they going in this one. So hurry up, people, go in this one. We can all work together if we go in here. You know? You better hurry up. Shoot. I told you, don't come in. Ooh, I don't even know. I can't even make it up there. Ooh, why are these people smart? Why are these people smart? These people smart. These people smart. These people smart. 2 people died already. That's just wow. Bam, bam, bam. Move, I can't even see. How did he make it? Oh my gosh. Is damn joking? Who it is? I'm spectating. It was him. Come on. Yes. Ooh, 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 ooh. There's only 6 players. Come on. They play too much. That's why someone died, because y'all play too much. Like, hurry up. Play too much. Why is my camera zoomed out? Ooh, he spawned inside. Go, run. Run, go. Ooh. Why does my camera keep zooming out? Go! Oh my gosh, why am I so glitchy? Literally. Well, guys, I'm gonna have to end it here. Subscribe, like, turn on post notifications so you can get notified every time when I make a new video. Comment down below what was the favorite part of your video. This video. And, yeah, this is my, first screen thing. Comment down below what else you want me to do on my channel, and I will do it. And, yeah, bye, guys.